Hello students, welcome to Analog IAS. We are thrilled to announce the massive success of our RapidX Prelims 2025 program where you can see 41 out of 100 questions in UPSC Prelims had direct or conceptual reflection from our initiative. So, this is a testament to our accurate precision, strategic curation, and deep understanding of the UPSC examination pattern. Now, to start with, what was the RapidX Prelims program? Herein, I'll explain you. We strategically broke down the syllabus 3000 micro themes. Not all hold equal weightage in actual exam. That's where our edge lies because we have handpicked these 500 plus high yielding micro themes that are not only most relevant and repeatedly asked but also have the highest question conversion potential. Also, one more important thing, every year you will find 40 to 50 questions in the UPSC prelims can be directly or indirectly traced back to these very themes which I'm talking about, by which they were analyzing the patterns from previous year papers, current affairs trends, and UPSC evolving question style. The very important thing which we did was we built questions that batched current events with core concepts, enhancing conceptual clarity and predictive strength. Another important thing is the outcome, which you saw is 41 questions mapped to our content, is a result of our sharp focus on relevance, precision, and foresight. In this RapidX program, the most important thing was we came up with this post cursors. So each micro theme was followed by crisp and targeted post cursors, which is very important for revision. So it is also known as revision capsules, you can say, which helped aspirants revise, recall, and retain effectively, which is basically our mantra. So, through smart repetition and efficient scheduling, we enabled maximum coverage in minimum time. Another important point to be noted is we ensured multiple round revisions of all key subjects and topics, including economy, polity, environment, and etc. Our dedicated doubt resolution support gave aspirants the confidence and clarity needed in the final stretch. So this is about like what was this RapidX program. Now to start with, I'll show you this was the basic result. You can check this out, and also I'll be putting the complete file wherein we are mentioning the questions from our RapidX program in the description. You can check that out. And also, let me just give you some examples. Let's say there was this question of this Chinese pilgrim, and you can see it is directly coming from our micro themes. And also, the other question, let's say it's about the dancing girl, like it was made from which of, it was made of which element? It's bronze. So you can see it is directly coming from our content. Similarly, we have about this self-respect movement, like who was the founder. Again, you can see it is directly from our content. So to check this out, please go for the complete file in the description box. And what next we have is the RapidX Mains 2025 program, which is starting from 12th of June. So after our prelim success, we are excited to launch this program, which is starting from 12th of June, and it will be for 80 days of focused preparation. Now, what we are offering in this is 25 high quality tests, again sectional and full length. And also the most interesting part in this program is one-on-one mentorship. So it is very important for students to understand like how to go ahead with the syllabus. So this one-on-one mentorship will help the students. Also, answer writing practice with model structure and detailed expert feedback on every answer will be given. So the questions will be theme-based revisions plus current affair integration. So whether you are targeting GS or essay, this program is designed to boost your performance exponentially. Thank you. Join this RapidX program to sharpen your answers, strengthen your content, and build the confidence which is very much required to crack mains with flying colors. Good luck, students. All the best. Study hard. Thank you.